Hello friends, we are going to discuss typecasting in Python. Typecasting is the method to convert the variable data type into certain data type in order to perform operation. So, a data type of the variable is converted into another data type to perform an operation. Two types of typecasting is available in Python. One is implicit type conversion, that is automatic type conversion. Python internally changes the data type of some operand so that all the operands is having a same data type. For example, if you are using integer and float, so everything will be converted into float only. Generally, the higher it will be converted into the higher data type. This is known as an implicit type conversion. Next one is an explicit type conversion. In an explicit type conversion is a user defined type conversion that forces the expression to be of a specific type. So this is the syntax for the explicit type conversion. You have to mention the data type and followed by the expression. So this is explicit type conversion. So data type is mentioned outside and expression should be given in the parenthesis. So data type is the any data type of Python to which you want to typecast your expression. For example, here I I have two variables a equal to 3, that means a is an integer variable, b equal to 5.0, that is float variable. When I pass the 3 inside an integer int open close parenthesis int function, so the 3 will be converted into 3.0. So sorry, the b is 5.0 is the syntax of the explicit type conversion is given here. Data type followed by expression. So this is available in Python. Int and open close parenthesis, we will pass a float or a string number inside this, it will convert it into integer. Likewise float, all the data type we are having a data type followed by open close parenthesis. This function perform the explicit type conversion. So data type is any data type to which you want to typecast your expression. For example, here a equal to 3, that is a is an integer, b equal to 5.0, b is a floating point. When I pass a b inside the int function, int open and close parenthesis, so the b will be typecast to integer, that means 5. Likewise, so we take an expression d equal to float of a, so a equal to 3, float of a equal to 3.0, the 3.0 will get allocated to d. Now we will demonstrate these examples. So first, an explicit type conversion. I am declaring a equal to 3, b equal to 5.0, c equal to a plus b, and print c equal to c. Now we will run the program and check the output. Yes, now see, c equal to 8.0. So 5 plus 3 gives 8.0. This is an example for the implicit type conversion or implicit typecasting. Next, I am going to perform explicit typecasting. Here I have a c equal to, I am passing b inside the int function. B inside the int function. Now, what the int function will do, it will convert 5.0 into an integer, that is 5. When I print c, printing c equal to, so my output is 5. See, C equal to 5 now. Okay. Likewise, so what I'm doing now, now we'll see the floating point conversion. Okay. So I have a variable D equal to float of A. Now the A will be converted into float 3.0. Print D equal to comma D. See, 3 is converted into 3.0. 3 is converted into 3.0. So now we will have an expression E equal to, I'm giving float of A plus B. So now 3 will be converted into 3.0, it will be added with 5.0. We will have a value. So we will print the result, print E. So what is the value of E? E equal to 8.0. So that's it. We have discussed the two types of type conversions. One is implicit, another one is explicit type conversion, and the examples are demonstrated. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and press the bell button. Thank you.